Hello viewers, Felix here once again. I want to play Kimya by Guardian Angel. Kimya by Guardian Angel, and I will teach you the chords which are used there in that song. Nipigania nami nitanyamaza, nipigania nami nitanyamaza, utanitetea nami nitanyamaza. So those are the chords which are being used there. We have chord number 1, it is F sharp. We come to B, we come to C, that is G sharp minor, you can see it. Then we have C sharp. Those are the chords which are being used. And before the song begins, there is like a melody there that you can hear that goes with this kind of version. It begins from F sharp, it comes across all the way to B. One over one, C sharp. And those are the chords in that song. Let me go slow. You can see those are the chords. If you combine the chords now with the beat, is how it flows. Is how it goes. Hata nipigania nami nitanyamaza, hata nitetea nami nitanyamaza. So those are the chords. So thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe to this channel for more content. God bless you.